Right, okay, in this video we're going to show you how to fix the wheels to their servo mounts. Okay, so we're going to get some of the smallest bolts that are included in the kit. This servo arm will only go on one way, so we're going to do it on this side, and you can see that the arms, the opposite arms, are the same length. If you can see, that arm is longer than that arm, so they'll only go on one way. We're now going to put the bolts through the hole on the other side. I'm going to put a couple of these on just to hold the bracket in place while we're tightening the nuts up. Okay, that should do. We're going to put the nuts on, and because these are small, we're going to be able to hold these, and hold those in your hand and tighten up with the tool used to calibrate the servos. Once you've completed this process of putting the brackets onto the wheels, do the same to the other wheel, and then later in this video we're going to show you how to fit it to the servo. Okay, so we've done the first wheel. At this point, if you want to pause the video and do the same to your other wheel, please do that. And once you've done that, start the video again, and we're going to fix this wheel onto your servo.